This is so wrong. Karen has gone too far with her wrongdoings. Malicious, dangerous, racist UK Karen threat, and Black Neighbour with bullet via Black Neighbour, Ring doorbell camera. I did not know who moved in the apartment above, but I was hearing loud music. Strange sounds and people dropping heavy stuff which was not usual. One day I heard a loud banging on my door. There was this person, maybe female, shouting at me because she thought she was hearing music from me. I did not bang their door when I was hearing things like explosions from above or their music. I told her her behavior was like trash. And from that day onwards they were getting all kinds to bang my door and started to try to do a hate campaign. I can't believe a human could stoop so low.